In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Minecraft error, fail to connect to server. Now first what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for CMD, right click on it and run as an administrator. This will open up this box, and from in here you're going to type these three commands. Type first ipconfig /release, press enter, then type ipconfig /renew, press enter, and then type ipconfig /flush DNS and enter. Once you've typed all three commands, what you can do is simply close it down, come down here and search for device manager. In here you want to find your network adapters, right click on it and update your driver. After that, what you want to do is come down here, right click on your internet, open network and internet settings. From in here, change adapter options, right click disable and right click enable. After that, you can come down here and search for a firewall, click allow an app, change settings, click anywhere and press M and look for your Minecraft launcher. In here, you want to enable both of these. If you cannot find Minecraft launcher, just click allow another app and browse and then look for your minecraft.exe. Now after that, if this still doesn't work, what you can do is simply type here network reset. Click on it, reset your network and your PC will restart. Now after all of this, it should hopefully work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.